In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically BCC yourself in Outlook. This walkthrough uses Outlook on the web and a simple rule so you always get a private copy of your messages for your own records. It's quick, reliable, and easy to adjust later if your needs change. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your inbox. Next, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. This panel is where you control how Outlook behaves. From there, choose Mail to open the full settings area, then select Rules. Rules are automated instructions that tell Outlook what to do when messages meet certain criteria, which is perfect for creating an automatic copy to yourself. Create a new rule and give it a clear name, something you'll recognize later, like BCC Me. Naming matters because it keeps things organized if you end up with multiple rules down the line. For the condition, choose Apply to all messages. That means the rule will trigger every time, ensuring you always receive a copy. If you ever want to narrow this to particular contacts or subjects, you can refine the condition later. For now, keeping it universal keeps things simple. Now add the action and choose Forward to. This action sends a copy of the message to the address you specify. Go ahead and enter your own email address carefully to avoid typos. Using your primary mailbox ensures those copies are easy to find and archive. When you're done, click Save. Outlook will add the rule and enable it so it starts working right away. If you see a toggle next to the rule's name, make sure it's switched on. From this point forward, Outlook will automatically send a private copy to you based on the rule you just set. Functionally, this gives you the same outcome as BCCing yourself. Your recipients won't see it, and you'll have a copy for reference. Keep in mind that rules can vary slightly depending on your account type or organization settings, so the labels you see might differ a bit, but the flow is the same. Settings, Mail, Rules, New Rule, Apply to all messages, Forward to yourself, then Save. If you later notice duplicates or want to limit which messages are copied, you can return to Rules to adjust the condition, rename the rule, or turn it off temporarily. And that's all there is to it. You've set up an automatic self-copy in Outlook that keeps your correspondence backed up without extra clicks each time you send mail.